Assalamualaikum my dear students, I hope you are all safe. We are going to start new chapter called division. Here is Nipa and this is Millie and this is Rakib. I bought 6 pencils for distribute. I want to distribute these 6 pencils equally. That's why first I am giving one pencil one by one. Then everyone will get two pencils. There are total 6 pencils. I want to divide them into 3 persons. Each person will get 2 pencils. But how will we solve this mathematically? We will divide 6 pencils with 3 persons. We know the answer, but if we want to find this answer by the help of times table, we have to read or recite times table 3 until we get number 6. Let's try. 3 ones are 3, 3 2s are 6. We got 6, so we will stop. We will not recite again. 3 is a 9. So answer will be 2. Is another way to solving this. We will write big number and smaller number here. We will stop in 6. 3 2s are 6. We will write 2 here and 3 2s are 6. Answer will write here. And we'll divide 6 minus 6, 0. Now we can tell that what is division. Division is the splitting into equal parts or groups. It is the result of fair sharing. There are various ways to expressing division sign. Here are some division signs. We know about this division sign. It has a particular name, that is oblus and slash, horizontal line and division brackets. We will generally use oblus and division bracket, and when we will learn about fraction we will use this sign, and we will use slash in higher class. Next I want to solve another math. Suppose we have to find 72 divided by 9. We have to write 9 72. Most of the time we will solve like this. 9, we have to write times table 9. 9 8s are 72. We will write 9 8s are 72, and 72 minus 72 is equal 0. Then answer will be 8. From note 2, question is solve the following divisions. Before you solve, also answer which numbers multiplication table will be used for the questions. For examples, 24 divided by 6 equals 7. Multiplication table of 6. Okay, I am explaining this. 42 divided by 6. For solving this problem we have to recite times table 6. Then we see the times table. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 33, 6 7 are 42. Then answer will be 7. 7, answer is 7. And you have to write which multiplication table you have used for solving this. Then you have to write like this: multiplication table 6. Let us try to divide the 3 pencils among 0 people. How much does each people get? Does that question even make sense? No, of course not. It doesn't. We can't share among 0 people and cannot divide by 0. So we can write answer like this. Again, let us try to divide the 0 pence among 3 peoples. How much does each people get? 0. We can write the answer like this. Now try to solve 62 page, note 3 and 4 maths. We have learned today what is division and how to use multiplication table in the case of division, and 0 divided by a number equals 0. A number divided by 0 is not possible. No more today. Thank you very much.